It has never been easier to create beautiful custom seating place cards or food buffet label cards. You can do this with our editable template, and I'm about to show you how. Welcome to another video of Print-A-Party.com's product previews and tutorials. Welcome back to Print-A-Party.com tutorial. In this video, I am showing you how easy it is to edit one of our buffet place cards that we have. We have multiple designs. I'm using the gold glitter in this design just as an example, but all of the designs work the same. If you purchase this product, you will receive a link that when you click, it will take you to this page. And this is the template that I created in Canva. Canva is free to use. It is a website. You do not need to pay for it. You simply click use template and it will load. Once it loads, you will see the boxes here that you have full access to edit, manipulate, and customize in any way you choose. So I'm going to show you, for example, if you want to do place cards, you might want to use a prettier font, put a name, then you can make the font bigger and maybe center it up a little bit. And I'm simply deleting that other box. And I'm going to do another name here. I'm also going to make it bigger and move it up so it matches. Then on these bottom ones, I will put, I'm going to use this font because I'm going to put a food item. If you are doing a buffet, sometimes it's very helpful to label all the different food items that you are serving. So I will just type spinach, artichoke dip. And this one, maybe pigs in a blanket. Those are always popular at parties. And again, you can manipulate this font. You can manipulate the size of it, the spacing of it. There are tons of fonts that Canva has. Yes, these gold ones means you have to pay for it, but if you notice, there are a lot that are free. So if you don't like the font, you can choose another one. It's no problem. But in this, you can also space it out here. Click this little line spacing option, and I like to push them a little closer together because I'm going to make them a little bit bigger and then move it up. And there you go. And you can do the same thing with this one, etc. Now, if you want another page or you need additional labels, you simply click duplicate page. A second page will load where you are then again able to manipulate all the boxes. When you are completely done editing and you have everything that you need and you are ready to print, you simply go up here to the corner, you click share, you choose download, and here you can choose how you would like to download it. JPEG, PNG. I personally choose PDF print all the time. You can also choose the number of pages if you just want one page or if you want both pages. And then you click download. It will download on your computer. So once you get it downloaded on your computer, like I did a PDF, you open it up in your PDF software. I just have Adobe, and this is where you are going to want to print it out. So I will just quickly print it and show you how easy it is to cut and fold them. Simply print on any color printer. Feel free to use regular paper or a heavier cardstock, up to you. Light lines are there to guide exactly where to cut. After they are cut out, you simply fold them in half and they stand up like a tent card. Now you have a really nice place card or buffet food card that adds a great touch for your next event. We have tons of different designs and options, so check it out at Print-A-Party.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, hit the bell to subscribe so you're notified when I post again, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.